Hi guys, Fix It Bro here. Today I'm going to show you how to do crossbar roof racks, and this is a 2014 Subaru Impreza. As you can see, I put the roof racks on the front and the back. I just placed it right in front of where the actual stock hooks are. So it's very simple. I'm just going to go through it. You take a little flat screwdriver, pry it open real quick, and then you can look inside. There's two screw holes. So we're going to use the one that's furthest up. That's this one right here. And we're going to do the same thing with all four of them that's there. So I'm just going to show you one side, and all the other ones are going to be exactly the same. So you take the crossbar and you line it up. First thing we're going to do is going to press on the top tab, how I did there, and it open. And we're going to take the T-Tex, the T-Torx 30, and then turn it and take it off, and then the actual cover comes off. Now what I like to do is leave it on the side that's next to it, so I know that it came from that one. Now the next thing that we want to do is underneath where we said the screw holes are, we're taking the first one. So I'm going to look through this hole that's here. I'm going to try to line it up. So I'm doing this with one hand and the camera, so it might be a little tricky, but you know, I'm trying to get the camera angle at the same time, so it's a little difficult, but you know, I get it right now. So once I line that up, then I'm going to take the actual screw that comes with it. You don't need no tools for this one. All the tools came in the actual kit that I got from Subaru. And this is the one I was talking about. So you put it in, make sure it fits into the hole. And all you're going to do is just turn it until it tightens. And you want to leave it just like that, horizontal, not vertical, or else it's not going to close. So then you take the cap, you put it back on. And then once you put it on, you open that. And we're going to screw that. Once you screw it, close that top, and then that's it. And I'll just zoom out a little so I can show you how they actually look afterwards. Thanks a lot, guys. Like, share, subscribe. See you on